In this video, we are going to review the best pizza peel available in the current market. After reviewing pizza peel and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list for you.
Number 1.
Pizza Royale Ethically Pizza Peel. This pizza peel is the proof of the fact that outstanding kitchen tools are the result of thoughtful design, a sincere passion, and the determination to create a tool that offers previously non-existent exceptional durability, user-friendliness, and appearance. The founders of Pizza Royale strived for a long time until they could find the right material and the design for this pizza peel.
Number 2.
Honey Can Do Kitchen Aluminum Pizza Peel. The handle of the peel is made of wood, which prevents the handle from heating up while the peel is in the oven, giving you a comfortable grip and protecting your hand from accidental burns. The handle is also 8 inches long, which helps you to reach into the parts of the oven's interior which are too hot to be reached by using only hands. The wide surface of the paddle provides you enough space for holding your pizzas, while the thin edges make it easier for the peel to slide under the pizza, preserving its smooth texture and shape.
Number 3.
Heritage Acacia Wood Pizza Peel. Is it visually pleasing? It also feels smooth in your hand and is highly durable if it is taken care of in the proper way. The paddle of this peel comes in a size that is large enough to hold your homemade pizzas, but also is not too large so that you can control it with ease. The thickness of the peel has been adjusted so that it is resistant to warping but is thin enough so that it can smoothly move under the pizza in your oven.
Number 4.
Checkered Chef Stainless Steel Pizza Peel with Folding Handle. Another unique feature of this pizza peel that we love is that its handle can be neatly folded back on the paddle part, allowing a compact way to store this pizza peel when it is not in use. Pizza peels come with a long handle, and if it is not foldable, it can take up a large space on your kitchen counter or drawer, making it a cumbersome tool, which will not be the case with this innovatively designed pizza peel.
Number 5.
Ironwood Gourmet 28214 Napoli Pizza Peel. Our pizza dough will not stick to the surface and retain its smooth texture throughout the baking process. Another thing we love about this pizza peel, apart from its excellent materials, is its design. The edges of this peel are gently sloped, which allows the pizza to be smoothly swooped up from the baking stone without destroying it or causing it to fall off. The handle has been shaped ergonomically to allow you a comfortable grip, which will help you in maneuvering the pizza peel in any way you want.